Tired of AI voice tools that sound great, but are overpriced for most people? You're not alone, and today I'm showing you how to get high-quality voiceovers completely free. Yes, free, no tricks, no hidden fees. While Elevenlabs gives you amazing voices, they cap free use by word count and hit you with a premium price tag. But don't worry, I've found a better option. What you're hearing right now, that's the magic of this tool in action. Let's jump in and see how you can use this free AI voice generator in just minutes. The tool is called Clipchamp, and it's way more than just an AI voice generator. It's a full-on AI-powered video editor packed with voiceover features, captions, video resizing, and even a speaker coach. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create voiceovers step by step. So, open your browser and type Clipchamp. If you're on your phone, make sure you're using Google Chrome and turn on desktop mode. Click the first link that appears. That'll take you straight to Clipchamp's website. Clipchamp lets you create unlimited videos with no watermarks, and you don't even need the premium version, unless you want to export in 4K or access premium stock media. Since we're only generating audio, the free plan is more than enough. Click Sign Up and log in using your Google, Microsoft, or email account. After that, choose your user purpose to continue. Now you're inside your dashboard. You might see an option to create a video with AI. Skip that. We're not making a full video today. Instead, click Create a new video. Don't worry, you're just using this to access the voice tools. You'll land on the video editor. On the left panel, click Record and Create. Scroll down until you see Text-to-Speech and click it. A panel will pop up on the right-hand side. Start by picking a language and accent. Clipchamp supports over 50 languages, including English, French, Spanish, Hindi, and more. Next, choose your voice actor. You can preview each one before selecting.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Not happy with the voice? No problem. Just try a different one until it fits your content. Now let's move to the advanced settings. Change the pitch to suit your style and preview it until it sounds just right. You can also tweak the speed to fit the mood of your message. Now go ahead and paste your script into the text box. Here's something to keep in mind. You can only generate 10 minutes of audio at a time. Need more than that? Just break it into parts and generate them separately. Since it's totally free, you can do this as many times as you want. Once your text is ready, hit preview to hear how it sounds.
Tired of AI voice tools that sound great, but are overpriced for most people? You're not alone. And today, I'm showing you how to get high-quality voiceovers completely free. Yes, free. No tricks, no hidden fees. Tired of AI?
Try switching another voice with medium pitch until it fits perfectly. Once you're happy with it, click Save to generate the final audio. Here's the catch. You can't directly download just the audio from Clipchamp. Instead, you'll need to export it as a video. Click the Export button, pick any resolution, and let Clipchamp do its thing. After rendering, the video will automatically download to your device. Now let's convert that video into an audio file. Open a new tab and search for MP4 to MP3 converter. Click on the Cloud Converter link, or just go straight to cloudconvert.com. No account needed. Just drag and drop your video. Click Convert, and boom, your audio file is ready. You can listen to a preview and then hit download. The sound quality?
Tired of AI voice tools that sound great, but are overpriced for most people? You're not alone. And today I'm showing you how to get high-quality voiceovers completely
Perfect.
free.
And
yes,
that's
free, no
it.
tricks, no hidden fees.
You just learned how to create unlimited premium quality voiceovers using text for free. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos for more cool AI tools. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.